Best electric hand planner. Number 5. Cheston 600 watt 16,000 rpm electric wood planner. Approx price 2599 rupees. Voltage 220 volts. Frequency 15 Hz. Input 600 watt. No load speed 16,000 rpm. Cutter with 82 mm. Ergonomic designs provides comfort for one or two-handed use. Variable cutting depth for faster material removal. Large depth of cut control knob. 6-month warranty over manufacturing defects. Number 4. Dongcheng 500 watt electric planner 82 mm. Approx price 2653 rupees. 500 watts. Material plastic. 6-month manufacturer warranty. Number 3. Ibel electric hand planner EP8258. Approx price 2975.07 rupees. Rated voltage 230 volts 50 Hz. Rated input power 580 watt. Rated no load speed 16,500 rpm. Planning with 82 mm. Planning depth 0 to 2 mm. Rebating depth 0-10 mm. The front show can be adjusted, moves up and down via a knob. Number 2. Black & Decker KW712QS 650 watt wood planner. Approx price 3541 rupees. Power 650 watt. No load speed 17,000 rpm. Planning with 82 mm. Planning depth 2 mm. Rebating depth 8 mm and cord length 3 meter. Large depth of cut control knob provides easy adjustment. 1 year warranty. Number 1. Bosch Go 6500 professional planner. Approx price 5882 rupees. Convenient lock on switch for both right and left hand. 2 pieces resharpable HSS blades for lower maintenance cost. Robust plate with 3V groove. Ergonomic handle for comfort holding during planning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.